What's up, P-Timers? If you're a fan of golf cars, then this video is for you. Let's have a look at some Hot Wheels and Matchbox golf cars and then race them down the track. 1968 Chevy Nova. (1968 Chevy Nova). Porsche 917 LH. Porsche 917 LH. (2009 Corvette ZR1). (2009 Corvette ZR1). Ford GTLM. Ford GTLM Zamac. Indy Oval. Indy Oval Zamac. Indy Oval Super Treasure Hunt. Mustang Boss 302. Custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. (1965 Ford Galaxie 500). (1960s Fiat 500 Modificato). Ford Transit Supervan. Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX. Volkswagen Golf MK7. Mclaren F1 GTR. Ford GT40 from Matchbox. (2010 Ford SVT Raptor). Alright guys, we're at the track. We've split the cars up into 4 separate races. The winner of each race will face off in the finals. Let's have a look at race number 1. Nissan Laurel, Porsche 917 LH, Chevy Nova, the Super Treasure Hunt Indy Oval, and the Ford GT40 from Matchbox. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Porsche 917 LH takes the win in race number 1. We're set for race number 2. We've got the Indy Oval Zamac Edition, the Ford Transit Supervan, the custom Ford Mustang GT, the Fiat 500, and the white Porsche 917 LH. Here we go, race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the custom Ford Mustang GT that takes the win and moves on to our next round. Race number 3 cars are on the starting grid. We've got the Ford Galaxie 500, the blue Indy Oval, my favorite, the Mclaren F1 GTR, the Corvette ZR1, and the Ford GT-LM. Here we go, race number 3. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Ford GT-LM that takes the win and moves on. And we've got 6 cars for race number 4, our last qualifying race before the finals. We've got the Ford SVT Raptor. We've got the Corvette ZR1, the Ford Mustang Boss 302, the white Chevy Nova, Zamac Ford GT-LM, and the Volkswagen Golf MK7. Here we go, race number 4. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the white Chevy Nova that takes the win, and we'll move on to our final race. And here we are at our final race. One race, winner takes all. 68 Chevy Nova, Ford GT-LM, Porsche 917 LH, or the custom Ford Mustang GT. Who's going to take the win? Comment down below right now before we start the race. All right, are you ready? Let's do it. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the custom 2018 Mustang GT that takes the win and is our champion. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite Hot Wheels or Matchbox golf racing car.